BMW E46 and all I want to know is where's the motherfucking screen? If this counts as a screen, then I want a refund. So, for today's video, we're actually going to be upgrading my stock radio for practically a 60-inch flat screen TV. We're going to be watching movies with snacks and popcorn in this bad boy. It's going to be sick. So, I've actually got 2 parcels here, you lucky things. Let's get unboxed in and I'll show you guys what we've got inside. The EONON E46A12S touchscreen head unit for my BMW E46, and oh my days, I'm actually so excited for this. Look at the quality, like, oh, you guys can see my reflection. Is that shiny? That's mad. That's like a whole TV. Look at these, look at the back. Even the back looks fancy. How do you make the back look fancy? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited. This is going to be so sick in my car. So we're finally going to get wireless Apple Carplay. Of course, this head unit also works for Android Auto, depending on what phone you've got. It's a variety. You can have anything. So, some key features of this EONON touchscreen head unit is it's got a 9-inch QLED display, screen mirroring, 6GB of RAM, as well as 64GB of ROM. It's also got a 720p HD resolution, so everything is going to look crystal clear, which is lovely, as well as built-in DSP, so even your sound quality is going to sound elite. The pros of this head unit just keep on going. I'm actually amazed. Like, it's mad. I'm so excited for this to be in my car. Like, what? But I have actually got a second parcel to open for you guys as well, which is just as exciting, and it kind of links on to the head unit. So this one is actually, can you guess from this? We've actually got a rear parking camera for my BMW, and I'm so excited for this because parking on my road is an actual nightmare. Like, I've never, if I can't forward park, I'm not parking. Do you know what I mean? It's one of them. So this rear camera obviously links up with the head unit, so we've got a little bit of teamwork going on here. Again, this rear camera has a 720p HD resolution, so it's super good quality, as well as a 140-degree view and angle, so nothing is stopping me from getting the perfect parallel park. But yeah, let's get both the reverse camera and the touchscreen head unit installed on our BMW E46. We can finally have Apple CarPlay. We can finally actually reverse properly without thinking, am I going to crash into everything? So yeah, let's get these installed. So, first up, we removed all the brown trim on the dash before unscrewing and pulling out the stock radio. And honestly, this BMW might have the easiest stock radio removal ever, and I can't lie, I was very grateful for that. We pulled all the clips out from the back of the unit, and that was literally the stock radio out. So we then needed to move the climate control unit down to make room for the new screen, so I popped that out, again removed all the clips, took out all the other random plastic shit, removed the little flippy drawer at the bottom, and that was ready to go. I re-clipped my climate control clips back in so I can actually have aircon and not boil in my car. And then it was time to install the actual head unit. The installation of this EONON head unit is actually super easy. You just plug all the relevant clips in, place the head unit in the slot, screw it all in to keep it secure, and it's done. But before I show you guys the head unit, let's also get the reverse camera installed. So step 1 for this camera was removing the glove box so we could get the wires through the back. And I did find the big boy fuse box in there too, which looked a tad scary, but you know, it was definitely colourful. I removed the carpet in the boot lid before removing whatever this bit of car is called, I don't really know, which is where we were going to be drilling the hole for the camera. We drilled the hole, slotted the wires through, soldered up some wires. Honestly, I'm not an electrician, so I haven't really got a clue what's going on at this point. Due to my BMW being a convertible, the boot is obviously kind of separate from the car, so I did have to remove the rear seats in order to find a way to get the wires through, but once we knew where it went, it was easy enough to fit. We hid all the excess wire, plugged it into the head unit, put it all back together, and then we were done. Easy as that. So that's the EONON touchscreen head unit and reverse camera installed on my BMW. I'm going to show you guys because I haven't actually shown you yet. First off, I actually need to peel this because I've been waiting to peel this for ages. That was so satisfying. Anyway, let's start my car and I'll show you guys the head unit. So this is obviously the default like standard screen that comes with the head unit. You can obviously play music, radio. It's got a navigation thing which takes you to Google Maps. So that's still pretty sick. We've got fucking YouTube. We could watch my videos on here. I haven't actually connected that up yet, but yeah, we could watch my channel on here. So buy one of these, go watch my channel in your car. That's sick. We've got a little vehicle thing, so if we press this, it tells me my oil consumption, my average speed. This is my battery voltage, 11.5 up here as well. You know, which is always useful to have. If my battery's shit, I'll be like, oh. There's actually loads of different things on here, Gmail, everything. Obviously what we're going to be using the most is Apple Carplay, so I can click that, or if I have my Bluetooth on, it will automatically connect. Connect to the EONON on my phone, connected, it will start up on here. And yeah, then we've got Apple Carplay on there, which is so sick. Like, it actually just looks so much better, like, look at that. So yeah, obviously we've got the standard, you guys will know about it. I've got my Spotify. That's so sick. Yeah, so obviously with the Apple CarPlay, if we're going on a long journey, this is going to be super good. Just have it on the maps and it's like a massive screen, so it's like perfect when I'm driving. I can see it really easy, which is super good. Call Charlie.
Calling Charlie.
Ah! See? I can make phone calls in here too.
Take your call right now. Just leave your message after the tone. When you're done, press hash or just hang up.
You're so rude. But yeah, let me show you guys the reverse camera, because this is one of my favourite parts, because I just think it's sick having a reverse camera, because I can't reverse for shit. So this is so cool. Pop it into reverse. And my camera comes on. That is so cool. That's fucking sick. That's so cool. Like, how good when I'm parking, I can just see where I'm going. I can see how close I am to cars. Honestly, I'm actually just gassed. Yeah, this head unit is also super easy to fit. Like, took the old one out, which is easy anyway, plugged it in, put it back in, so quick. It's not like faffing around. It's not like really complex, which just makes the experience better. Another bonus on this head unit actually as well is I used to listen to my music on this Bluetooth transmitter. So obviously the sound quality is not the best because it's just transmitting through whatever. So this actual head unit, the sound quality is so much better. Obviously I said to you guys, it's got a built-in DSP, so the sound quality is sick anyway. So yeah, that is the EONON Apple CarPlay touchscreen head unit and reverse camera installed on my Bmw E46. And I can't tell you guys how happy I am with these. The quality is actually insane. Like, it looks like it's so good. It's not like one of the shitty head units, you know, when like the screen looks really bad and they're really slow. This one's like top tier. So yeah, I couldn't recommend this enough, guys. So if you guys want to get yourself an EONON head unit, even my specific one for a Bmw E46 or one for a different car, use code Chloe, which get you guys £10 off their official EONON website. The link will be in the description. So you can shop all the EONON head units on the official EONON website, or you can also buy them on Amazon and eBay. If you do want my specific one, you can get it on the official EONON website or on eBay, because unfortunately Amazon UK no longer sells it. Honestly, I think they're just a little bit salty because they don't have a fucking sick head unit. However, they do sell the slightly cheaper version on Amazon UK, which is still just as good. But yeah, again, use code Chloe, which get you guys £10 off the official EONON website. All the links to all of them, Amazon, eBay, EONON, all of it will be linked down below. So go check them out. Go buy yourself a head unit for your car. It literally transforms the car. Like, this is like a whole different car. It's like a whole, like, it's just better to drive. It's nicer to drive. So yeah, please go check them out. Tell them I sent you. Follow them on Instagram and tell them I sent you guys as well. Show the love to them. But yeah, I am unfortunately going to end today's video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. The new touchscreen head unit looks sick. The reverse camera is so sick. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Follow me on Instagram at chr_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you, or we'll see you, in my next video. Bye!